Alright, good morning everyone and welcome back to this new update video. So in this video I will explain what my expectations are for Bitcoin for the upcoming weeks. So we are currently on the higher time frame at a crucial level, and this is literally our level to hold, and I will explain exactly what I mean with that. So as you can see, this is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame we are trading in that uptrend. So for now we are around this low over here, and we have to hold this low, because if we lose this low as well, then we are making a trend reversal and then we can go much lower. So if we break this lows over here, then we can see much lower prices for Bitcoin. So actually this is the make it or break it level. So if we hold this low over here, then I expect that we can go much higher, with my first target around that 100k level on the higher time frame. So once we make that push towards the 100k level, that means that we make a gain of like 20-25%, and that's really positive. So that's why this area is so important. So or we break towards the upside or we break towards the downside, and then it can go really quick. So yeah, for now it's the most important to hold this level and have to wait for the right confirmations, of course. So we want to see that that structure, that we hold support over here. We want to see that trend reversal, that we can go back up again. So of course on the higher time frame we have a low, we have a high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high. After that this will become a higher low, and then we want to see that higher high. So this is just how price action works. So yeah, this is what we want to see if we hold this low over here, and that means that Bitcoin could go towards a new all-time high. But of course we have to note that Bitcoin is on the lower time frame, so on the daily, in a downtrend, and we have lost very important lows as well. So this isn't too good for Bitcoin. So that all-time high target isn't my target for now. I'm just focusing on this target over here once we hold this low. So this also is like a 25, maybe 30% gain, which is really positive. And also for altcoins it becomes very interesting once we hold this low, because always when Bitcoin is around a support level, then also altcoins can go towards new highs as well. So if we look at the total tree, so this is the total tree chart, we are currently at the support level. We also broke out of this trend line and we made a gain on the weekly time frame, so that's really positive. So if Bitcoin is holding that support and the total tree is also holding that support, then I expect that altcoins can perform very well in the upcoming weeks. So the total tree, just to be clear, is the total market cap excluding the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. So yeah, as you can see, this one is on a very important support area as well. So if we hold this lows for the total tree, then I expect a bigger push for altcoins. So that's very interesting for us. And of course, on the opposite, if we lose this lows, then we can go much lower for the altcoins, and that could go really fast as well. So you have to be aware of that. So for now, I hope that everything is clear to you. If you have any questions about it, of course you can ask them in the questions channel, and then I would like to see you in the next video. So yeah, good luck with it and have a nice weekend. Ciao ciao.